Today I'm presenting LOL Surprise Confetti Pop. Let's open it up. Whoa. Let's move on to the next round. I see Show Baby. It's an ultra rare. Wow, it's Cherry Bomb. So our next clue is this one. They do a different water surprise and the mystery surprise sticker. And these are the rest. This is the mystery. This one is the mystery. So it's because it has a different one. It's like when it comes out of your ears. So now I'm just going to open the three. But first, we have to read what Show Baby's saying. Pull here and spin the wheel. Wow. Wow, I found a tattoo. I found a tattoo. It's amazing. It has a bomb. That's cheetah. That's cheetah. It's cheetah stripes on it. So let's take this out. Just rip this if you like. Wow, it is an ultra rare. So let's open this first one up. Hope it's good. Whoa. Wait. Isn't this? Oh. It's Beatnik, babe. She's from Paris and so good, and she's in LOL. Alright. Oh, it's a water bottle. And it's a soda pop. This one is already good. We move on to the next one. Let's find out. Wow. Then let's move on. Think? Nope. This is all it. So let's see who's in. Found this. I just put it there. It's really difficult. Wow! That was awesome! Wow, we got out to the petals. Whoa. Something's here. I think it's a beret. Berets are things when you wear it when you're in Paris. See? She's over here. In the Red Shoe Club. She lives in Paris. Paris, Paris, and Paris. And they're really slippery. Well. My mom is gonna open it since I don't know. And it's a beret and a pacifier, a big pacifier. Whoa, it's huge. Now for the final one. It's her! Wow, and she's doing the splits. So funny. Let me put her back. And I'm gonna change her. And I'm gonna put in shorts. Wow. Putting on a clothes, and I like Paris. Has the Eiffel Tower, has artists that talk in French, and she's a mademoiselle because she's a girl. Then we just put her hand down and then I'm gonna put on her shoes. And then I put on her beret. Look at her beret. She's so cute. Now I really want to see what her water surprise is. My mom is going to get some water and put on it. And I can't wait to see it. Because this is good. I like her. So she does some. This LOL is so amazing. Whoa. She put in makeup in her eyebrows. Since it's filled, let's see what her water surprise is. White. Is color changing. Her water surprise is spitting. So let's put on the sticker. I think. So let me see again. There's no water left. So it's going to be spitting here on the sticker. Or shall I put it here? I'm going to put the other one on this one, where they have lots and lots of clubs. I was so close to get unicorn. Unicorn is the best and ultra rarest person. So let me just take out the sticker. Perfect. Just put this here. And I can't wait to see what her water surprise is. It's so amazing. So this one is a bathtub. So my mom is gonna get some water from the sink and then do something. It's really good that she lives in Paris and I love her beret. Eee, looks so awesome. She looks even fancier. And my mom has a tissue. I'm just gonna put these here. And here's the water. I hope there's some ice in it. Wow. There's no ice. It's not color changing. Maybe we should add ice. That's the only way. Mom is gonna get some ice from the freezer. Okay. They're really tasty. I do, Mama. I love it. And I drink some water. And I just got my ice cube. Time for washing. Wow! Let's take the cube out. Wow, her clothes color change. Wow, that is so awesome. Wow. Ooh. He splashed. It likes splashing. Mama was there. I really do like splashing. So would you mind taking me a bath? Wow. It's really different. I don't like it. Mademoiselle, I'm gonna go inside this cold water. Wow, I can't even breathe. So bad. Let me go inside. This is gonna be good. I love my hair. Ta-da! It's so cute. Hello there. Hello. I am Pink Hair. I'm gonna go inside and keep it so you can all see. Let's put it in me. Whoa, hello there. I feel good in Paris. I like Paris. Ooh, she has something. Let's take out her shirt. See what's on her. Wow, I didn't know that. Let's put on her whole body. Whoa. What? She just day to go on Paris. Hello there, I am Practical Babe, and I am from Paris. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to put a big thumbs up. Bye.